Hello and welcome to this presentation about engineering. I'm just going to present to you my slides now. Okay, croeso i'r cyflwyniad byr yma am Maes Peirianneg. Welcome to the short introduction about engineering. My name's Gyrfaoedd Davies and I'm the H&C program leader for engineering over in Llangefni on the Isle of Anglesey. I know Gyrfaoedd Davies, fi di'r rheolwr cwrs H&C yn Llangefni yn Maes Peirianneg. So what does a career in engineering look like? The types of careers you are aiming for could be things like CNC programmer in the world of design, engineering design or product design, electrical, electronic engineering, engineering maintenance or operations and maintenance within the power industry, etc. Manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering, the power and energy sector, production engineering, or also the renewable sector now with wind turbines and also other various forms of renewable energy are coming online. So hein di y gwahanol math o swyddi fydd ar gael yn y dyfodol gyda cymhwyster yn y Maes Peirianneg. Rhywbeth I feddwl amdan. So something to think about, the types of careers available with an engineering qualification. So the local industry we deal with a lot of companies. A lot of my students come from companies such as Magnox, previously of Wilfa, but now Trawsfynydd as well. Orthios, up and coming in Holyhead. Scottish Power and IQA with the overhead lines industry for the power generation. NHS, the engineering section of the NHS in Ysbyty Gwynedd and Glenclwyd. ISC, production, and DMM, both two very good local manufacturing, world-renowned manufacturing companies. Hydrorol over in Gyrfaoedd, Spy, I believe, are part of the street lighting industry for the council over in Conwy area. First Hydro, and also Gwynedd Council as well. And there's probably a few more that I've missed out there. So hein di'r rhai o'r cwmnïau dyn ni'n delio efo. Mae lot o myfyrwyr yn gweithio i'r cwmnïau yma. So these are the type of employers that are available in the future, and they look for people with higher education qualifications. So some of the industry skills that you'll gain from completing H&C, hein di'r rhai o'r sgiliau fyddwch chi yn datblygu ar y cwrs H&C. So your designing skills, CAD software and CAM software, so meddalwedd CAD and meddalwedd CAM, so computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacture, analytical problem solving with your maths and your science, automation and robotics, PLCs, which are your programmable logic controllers, and also health and safety, and a few other basic skills as well. So, because some of the modules you will learn on, one of the modules is specifically automation, robotics, and PLCs. Obviously, you'll do your maths and your science and your mechanical principles or electrical principles, and also we are exploring more and more in the world of CAD/CAM and design as well, and obviously design. Mae dylunio yn maes mawr yn Peirianneg. Design is a big part of the engineering industry. You need to look at the world around you. Everything has been designed and engineered in some form or other. So it's a big topic of the course. What would be your next steps then after completing a H&C? So be fysa'r camau nesaf I chi? Well, un cam nesa ar ôl H&C ydy wneud HND. Dwi'n gwybod dy ddim lawr yma'n hyn. So one option is a HND. It's not actually on this slide. We don't currently do the HND in Llangefni, but over in Rhos, the HND is an option. What we do offer though in Llangefni as well as Rhos is the Bachelor of Science Honours degree. It's a degree apprenticeship. So currently you'd be working within the industry, so maybe you'd get a job after successful completion of the H&C, and then you can come back and do a fully funded by the Welsh Government, so at no cost to yourself, a full Bachelor of Science Honours degree apprenticeship in engineering. There are two possible routes. There is a mechanical and electrical and electronic route in applied engineering science. The HNC will give you the 120 credits at level 4. Therefore, if you did come back to do the degree apprenticeship, you would start automatically on the second year of that course, which is a bonus. And likewise, if you chose to do the HND in Horse first, on successful completion of the HND, that would then give you the 240 credits at HE level, which then means that you could then go straight to your third and final year of the degree apprenticeship, to top up the HND, basically up to a full Bachelor of Science honours degree. The employability skills on offer, well, obviously, pam da chi'n dysgu ar lefel addysg uwch, mi ydych chi'n gwella bob math o sgiliau proffesiynol, cyfathrebu, datrys problemau ac yn y blaen. So when you do study at HE level, you will naturally improve your professionalism, your problem solving, and your communication skills. All of these come together. It'll make you a more attractive, and it'll give you far better employability chances. Mae'n di agor drysa mawr I chi yn y byd gwaith ac yn y byd peirianneg. So please consider the HNC in engineering. We look forward to seeing you, and if you do have an interest, here are some application details in front of you now. One thing I did forget to mention, the HNC actually is a part-time course, which is ideal if you feel that you want to go back, if you want to go to work first and maybe study around your work. So it's an ideal, if you've had enough of full-time education, you fancy, well, I want to carry on education but in a part-time capacity, HNC could be your answer. Okay, so application details are in front of you there, and also on the Coleg Menai website. And just to round off, it's a much cheaper option than university. HNC being a part-time means that the average cost is only $1,500 per academic year, which is significantly less than a university degree or a full-time HE course. Class sizes are generally quite small, which means that we can provide the more intimate, I wouldn't say one-to-one, but at times there has been known to only be maybe 3 or 4 in a class. So it can be, the teaching can be very bespoke to the students in that class. The Llangefni campus, fantastic £14 million state-of-the-art engineering centre, which was only built around the 2018. So it's fantastic facilities, really adeilad, well, fantastic yn Llangefni. And mae pethau ar gael yn y Gymraeg. Okay, things are on offer in the Welsh language and obviously in English language. The HNC is currently assessed through the medium of English. However, mae bob aelod staff yn Llangefni yn siarad Cymraeg, deall Cymraeg, a wedyn ni gyfathrebu'n Gymraeg efo myfyrwyr, dim problem o gwbl. A da ni'n edrych ymlaen I croesawu chi Llangefni, and we look forward to welcome you to Llangefni. Please consider HNC as one of your future options. Okay, thank you.